Okay, back to our program. It Connect na. Yan o, kami pa rin yung nakasama. This is your host, Mami Bel Surara, and my co-host,
Mary Shane Castillo. Hello mga ka-It Connect.
Hello. At syempre, yung sinasabi namin kanina, eto na,
Ayan.
ipapakilala na ni Shane. Go.
Ayan. Dahil tayo ngayon, Mommy Bell, we're celebrating still the Women's Month now.
Yeah.
We would like to introduce to you mga ka-It Connect. Of course, kindly say hello mga ka-It Connect to our doctor now. Meet Dr. Alred. Dr. Red, also known as Dr. Red Solong, your expert in aesthetic and regenerative medicine, who's currently working at Avignon Clinic. He's actually the senior aesthetic and regenerative medicine specialist physician at Avignon. Avignon, Mami, talagang.
Oo, ang ganda ng pangalan. Parang ngayon lang ako nakarinig ng Al-8? Di ba yan?
Kaya nga nahihirapang bangitan na he's also known by his patients as Dr. Red. Ayan.
Di ba parang El-Red, ayan. Oo, Junior. Ba't hindi June? Pero Dr. Red.
Yes, so yan.
Ayan. How are you po, Dr. Red? Welcome sa It Connect na.
I'm okay naman po.
Ayan.
Is this your first time po ba na maging guest sa radio?
Yeah, actually, it's my first time to be as a guest in the radio station.
Lagi namin kayong imbitahin.
Yes.
Diba? Okay, Shane, ano ba ang focus ng ating pagkukwentuhan?
Yes.
Talakayan.
Eto, since this focus po ngayon is celebrating, of course, our Women's Month.
You know?
Yes, celebrating women in all ages. Mapa bata, mapa middle age yan, mapa tanda, Mami. Whether mothers, entrepreneurs, or independent individuals, we will discuss, or Dr. Red will discuss, integrating topics related to skincare and various skincare procedures na maibabahagi sa atin ni Dr. Red of Avignon Clinic. Additionally, Mami Bell, no, dahil summer ngayon, napakainit. Can you imagine? Grabe ang heat index ngayon. Tama ba ako, Dr. Red?
Yeah, exactly.
Sobrang init ngayon. We can also touch siguro, no, Mami, yung mga ways how to protect our skin from
gusto
the
ko
heat.
yan.
Especially, lalo na kay Mami Bell at sa amin.
Yes.
Middle age yan, you know.
Tsaka Dr. Red, alam mo ba, mga senior citizens, ang daming nakikinig sa
Ayan.
radyo. Siyempre, kahit na po mga senior tayo, ayan, binila ko na yung sarili ko, dapat, ano pa rin tayo? Radiant, glowing ang ating skin. And of course, healthy skin. Di ba, Dr. Red?
Yeah, looking young pa rin. Even at
diba?
an early age.
Shane, para lalo pang ganahan si Dr. Red, basahin mo muna daw yung mga nandiyan sa ating Facebook page.
Ito pala, marami pala. Hello! Happy Sunday, katanghalian. Kaagila, Ate Bel Susara, araw ng Samba Iglesia ni Cristo, matatag, matapang, matapat, mula sa barangay ng Mabolo, Malolos, Bulacan. Maraming salamat po, Kuya Angelo Redalia. Also din po, good morning po sa It Connect from Ma'am Ozilia, Batong Arcaida. Shout out Team Kapitbahay and from Ma'am Nurjam Ongba. God bless din po mga kapatid. Hello po, magandang linggo sa inyong lahat.
Oy, meron
ayan,
pa.
Mami.
Ayan. Si Ada ba yan?
Si Ma'am Ada Natsuba. Ang dami pala natin nanonood
Akra.
sa atin. Ma'am Ada Natsuba. Hello po. God bless you din po, mga ma'am.
Meron pa. Isa pa. Go. Eto.
Ito, ang dami, Mami.
Ito.
Hi, of
Dalawa
course, si Ma'am
cellphone,
Lasso.
diba?
Janetsky.
Diba?
Hello, Ma'am Janet. She's watching all the way from Laguna. Tiga Laguna to si Ma'am Janet, Mami.
Ganun.
Yes.
Yung mga nag-text, mamaya na.
Ang dami? Kasi may gwapo daw.
Oo. May
Sabi
mga
mo, may gwapo
nag-text.
daw.
Mamaya ko na babasahin. Maraming sasabihin si Doc Irid para
Marami.
lumanda tayo.
Nakunood kayo dyan.
Sige, Doc A. Go, Doc Red.
Sir Doc, Doc Red, how can you, describe naman po sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon dahil po tayo broadcasted all over Net 25 Radio Agila, mga ating ka-It Connect po. Can you actually tell us your educational background?
So, I graduated my Doctor of Medicine from San Beda University. And I practiced aesthetics, anti-aging, regenerative medicine from the Philippine Academy of Aesthetic Age Management Incorporated, Philippine Academy of Aesthetic Surgery, and Department Dermatology Aesthetic Surgery International League.
Okay.
I see. And right now po, right now, Dr. Red, you are the Senior Aesthetic and Regenerative Medicine Specialist Physician at Avignon Clinic.
Yes, tama.
Yes.
At 11 years practicing na din kayo ng aesthetic dermatology. Tama po?
Yes, tama.
Alright. When you say regenerative medicine specialist physician, ano po ba yun? Para malaman po ng mga ka-Eat Connect natin. Kasi nakita ko ang dami nagpa-pop in sa screen eh.
Yes,
Baka minsan hindi nila, ano po ba yun? Pwede niyo pong pa-explain sa amin ni Mami Bell?
Kasi sinabi din yung anti-aging. Kaya
Anti-aging eh. Oo. Ang dami tuloy nagtanong.
Yeah.
So regenerative just it simply means longevity, wellness. It's about prolonging one's life.
Mami. So this is actually good, especially sa mga nanonood natin ng mga senior citizens, prolonging. This is only not for the wellness and also for our skincare.
Wow.
Alright, I see. And you are already 11 years practicing po sa aesthetic dermatology.
Yes,
I see. Okay. So eto, unang katanungan pa namin ni Mami Bell sa inyo, Doc Red. In your professional opinion, paano sa tingin nyo yung skincare? How does skincare contribute to a woman's confidence and overall well-being? For example, sa akin po na 40 years old single mom and kay Mommy Bell and sa mga nanonood na senior citizen and dun sa mga 18 years old pataas. How can this skincare help to boost their self-confidence?
Okay, so basically, skincare it is deeply connected to a woman's self-confidence and overall well-being. So it enhances self-esteem, creates self-empowerment, and encourage self-care habits as well.
Doc Red, nakasan mo daw boses mo, sabi ng mga senior citizen na nakikinig sa radyo. Ayan.
Yeah, okay.
Ayan.
So just by simply doing skincare every day, you promote social interaction and also creates mental health as well.
Ayan. Oo, yung Shane, mga ka-Eat Connect, na ito yung tanong Tita SP, sige tatanong ko nadinig niya kasi kanina kay Shane, aesthetic dermatology, tapos esthetician, dermatologist, may difference daw ba?
Ayan.
The estheticians are those who are therapists, yung mga nagpa-facial, sila yung mga tinatawag nating estheticians. Well, aesthetic dermatologists, we tackle most on beauty, enhancing one's physical appearance. But the dermatologist alone, it tackles yung mga pathologic diseases, yung may mga sakit sa balat.
Ayun. So,
kami.
sa kanya, combine talaga.
Combine siya, Mommy, aesthetic.
dermatologist.
At the same time, he tackles also yung may mga sakit sa balat. Ayun, may i-address nyo pala, Doc Red, yung kung may nangyari, magkaroon ng breakouts or eczema,
Exactly.
acne, or psoriasis, etc. Parang ganun po.
Nice.
I see. So, kay ano po, tingin nyo, Mami Bell, ano nga kaya yung mga skincare routines na nakita nyo nag-evolve sa mga babae ngayon in all ages? And in terms of how can you see to this na ma-empower yung self-care natin, yung self-love ng ating mga kababaihan since we're tackling into Women's Month.
Oo. Saka Doc Red, hindi lang ito sa pagiging vain, diba?
Yes,
Oo,
exactly.
ito ay pangkalusugang aspeto, di ba, Doc Red? Okay.
Ito na yung tinatawag nating self-care.
Self-care, self-love.
Yung mga younger individuals tends to have mga sun protection,
Correct.
more on prevention, hydration, and acne management. Pero yung mga older individuals naman, mga more on collagen renewal,
Yan.
skin renewal, mga anti-aging. So doon sila mga nakakategorize.
Tita SP, collagen renewal. Nanay Nita Hilarion, collagen renewal.
Eto.
At tanongin, ano yung collagen renewal?
Ano nga daw yung collagen? Ayan, nakita nila agad. So ito, Doc Red, how important it is ba to maintain skin health consistently through the year and not just seasonally? Kasi tayo minsan, Mommy Bell, ako po, based on my experience, minsan, tinatamad ako, Mommy, na parang pagpagod ka or minsan may times na parang wala ka sa mood, parang nakakalimutan kung mag-ano ng face, maghilamos.
Oo,
So,
totoo.
Mami, minsan sa sobrang pagod.
Correct.
Kayo po, Mami, how do you minsan ba nakakalimutan mo rin, Mami, pag sa
Hindi
sobrang
nakakalimutan,
pagod?
laging hindi nag-uulamos. Lagi. Kasi syempre, pagdating na, so gusto mo na humiga agad, gusto mo na magmuni-muni, hanggang sa makatulugan mo na, sa kinabukasan ka na lang, maghihilamos. Pero thanks God, wala pa namang di ba?
Yeah.
Red.
Of course, you have to be consistent.
Dapat consistent
talaga.
no?
Kasi, for example, yung iba, pag summer lang, yan, dapat ganyan lang
correct.
gagawin. Pag mga dry season naman, rainy season, ganun lang. You have to be consistent in all seasons.
Tama.
Para at least
Ayan
ma-prevent
pala siya,
mo talaga.
Mami, yun, nagti-treatment si Doc Red.
Oo, yan, kaya nga may na mga nagte-text na
Ganyan po pala yung mga ginagawa ni Doc Red sa Avignon.
Para ang sarap
Clinic.
maranasan yan, Shane.
Yes, Mami, pupunta tayo.
Yeah.
So, can you share how, can you share how lifestyle changes po yung mga stress, sleep? Ano yung impact nito sa skin health natin, Doc?
Correct.
Well, it greatly contributes, most especially yung mga
Dami mong
sleeping
awards.
habits, vices, lalo na smoking. So, yun. It advances age, and as well as yung may mga stress, most especially yung mga patients naman na may mga hormonal imbalances.
Yes.
So, maraming contributions actually.
Ayan. Ito naman from Norma Salcedo. Nakikinig ako sa radyo, Bella. Ganda ng topic. Pakitanong nga kay Dr. Red, nabanggit niya yung collagen. May mga pagkain ba na dapat kainin na meron ng collagen para kahit hindi ako bumili ng ng capsule lang may collagen. Tanong natin. Alam ko meron di ba?
Yeah, meron po.
Sige, go.
Marami pa may mga, most especially yung mga protein-rich foods. Mga chicken, yan.
So it's collagen rich.
Alam ko yung paanang manok Sabi maraming
collagen
collagen.
yun sa paanang manok.
Diba? Paanang manok, Norma. Luto ka.
Everything that has protein, yan, may collagen talaga.
Everything that has protein.
So, ayan, mami, kung talagang iti-take mo properly, i-incorporate mo sa iyong diet, yun pala, pwede ka na rin makakuha ng collagen.
Yes,
because there are
Rich
foods
foods.
na already are collagen rich or collagen So, ayun pala, besides taking supplements, or for those people who doesn't want to take some supplements, you can rely eating this collagen-rich foods na talagang, you can get this from the food that you're eating. Talaga. So, dapat talaga sa kinakain mo, Mami Bell.
Uy, may nagpapa-shoutout sa'yo, Doc. Tingnan mo, imagine, nanonood. Emily Rowe,
Yeah,
shout
yung
out po.
nurse ko. Nurse ko yan sabi.
Hello, nurse!
Hello
Shout out
po.
po, Doc Elred Day Solong Jr.
Ayan, nurse niya daw from Avignon Clinic.
Diba? Nurse, napakasipag. I-share mo to, ha?
Yes.
Emily Rose, share mo para marinig nila yung mga sinabi ni Doc Red, ha? Okay,
So,
sige.
Doc Red, since you are working for Avignon Clinic, right? You said for how long na rin po?
Avignon alone, 5 years pa lang siya.
Wow.
But
So
I've been working with them for almost 3 years already.
Wow.
So, based on my practice, I've been working all in all for 11 years.
Wow, that's very good to hear. So, talaga na lang well-educated na kayo when it comes to different skin treatments, when it comes to taking care of your skin, when it comes to different skin problems. You are actually well-known how to address it. Tama po? I see. Now, so for those watchers right now, sa ating mga ka-Eat Connect, yung aking mga mamita, si Mami Bell, na gusto ring makarinig. Of course, sa Avignon Clinic, we also have this non-invasive anti-aging treatments na ngayon naman ay nagiging popular. They are increasingly becoming popular dito sa atin, sa Pilipinas. Not all naman po, no? But mostly na mga tao ngayon, they're, resort into non-invasive treatments if they don't want to undergo surgery. Okay. And nakita ko, Avignon does do that. So, ano ba yung mga examples ng mga non-invasive treatments for the skin that will help, women or men, again,
not just
for their skin?
Women.
Yes.
So, we have a wide variety of energy-based devices, yun ang tawag namin. Yung mga devices na nakaka-lift ng skin, syempre, it's also, it enhances just not physical appearance, but overall well-being as well. So we have this machine called Ultera. So it lifts the skin, tightens the skin, and then the Thermage, it also tightens the skin, and then the soft wave for
I see.
So
Itong Ultera,
we have
ito
to
yung
assess the patient first upon consultation kung ano talaga need niya. Depende
ganun
kasi
pala,
din yan sa age kung ano.
Depende sa, for example po, kay Mami Bell.
Ako talaga.
Or sa akin. Kunyari sa akin or sa amin ni Mami Bell, would you recommend Ultera? At
I
my
highly
age?
recommend kay Mami Bell more on, kasi siya laxity, diba? So more on Thermage siya. So nakaka-tighten ng skin.
Yun. Gusto tight.
Mamaya may video ipapakita, Mami, kung paano yun. So kay Mami, more advisable po ang
Thermage.
Thermage pala tawag doon.
Ano nang difference in Thermage and Ultera?
Thermage kasi uses heat. So radio frequency. So para siyang RF.
Radio frequency.
Tapos yung Ultera naman is more on ultrasound. So more on debulking, contouring, and tightening.
I see. Pero
Magkaiba
kasi
sila.
maganda yung face ni Mami Bell na mas marami pa yata nga akong force kay Mami.
More on tightening lang siya.
Mas more on tightening lang si Mami, no? Napangalagaan niya pa yung face niya.
Oo,
Hindi pa
kasi-
siya naghihilamos ng ganyan, ha?
Kasi ano siya,
Wow, Mami,
mga
ay,
Kite
kapag-
Connect na Dr. Red, 64 years old na lola.
So pwede po tayo sa
Thank
ganun.
you.
Okay. So, pwede pala si Mama Bell. Sa akin po is Ultera naman.
Ultera kasi more on
Kasi ang ganda ng shape ng face mo, Shane. Parang Heart Evangelista. O, di ba?
Thank you, Mami.
Tight na kasi yung skin niya, so more on.
Tight
Ikaw
na,
na, Mami.
tight na. Ang
Ikaw
skin
nga,
mo.
Mami, hindi ka na kailangan ng kinis-kinis eh. Kasi tightening na lang ang need mo. O ngayon, Mami, ano kayang, tingin mo, Mami, ano mo tatanong mo? Dahil summer ready ngayon.
Hindi
Summer
kasi
ngayon.
mga
sa
kaklase
weather.
ko kasi nakikinig sa radyo.
Oo, baka marami
alam
silang
nila
katanungan
na
kay
ito
Doc
yung
Red.
magiging guest natin si Doc Red. Si Teacher Emily ng Binyan, Laguna. Kasi kasing idaran ko, sabi nga
Yeah.
kahit, Sabi ni Emily, meron daw siyang mga pina-apply sa mukha.
Skincare
Pero,
regimen.
OTC, ano daw reaction mo pag over-the-counter yung mga ina-apply sa mukha?
Right.
First
Na
we-
hindi na daw siya pumupunta, halimbawa, sa dermatologist para daw makatipid. Tapos pagka nakita daw niya sa, halimbawa, sa isang drugstore, binabasa lang daw niyang ganyan, apid. Ano daw reaction mo? Ayan.
It's very important kasi muna makita siya ng at least na registered na dermatologist
daw
or
sa-
doctor. Para kasi, depende kasi minsan may mga ganyan tao. Siyempre, may mga sa advertisement na nakita. You have to see first by an expert muna. Para at least ma-recommend ka kung anong tama, tamang pag-apply, at saka tamang mga produkto na gagamitin.
Ayan, Teacher Emily. Ayan. Tapos, yung isa ko namang kaklase, ayaw na niya pabanggit pangalan niya. Meron siyang ang tawag dito, sakit. Pero gusto niyang ma-maintain yung kanyang youthful looking.
Okay.
65 years old na siya, kaka-birthday niya. Ano daw yung pwede niyang gawin? Buying OTC na sinabi sa kanya ng isa naming kaklase. Or ang sabi niyang ganyan, ito naririnig daw niya ikaw. Anong may papayo mo sa kanya para daw at her age, 65 years old na siya, kaka-birthday niya lang, hindi naman daw for vain talaga, for healthy looking, since may sakit na rin siya, para hindi daw siya mukhang may sakit. Yun ang ibig niya sabihin.
May I ask muna kung what kind of disease na meron siya?
Ano? Sabihin ko ba, Glo?
Or-
Sabi niya, wag eh.
So,
CA na lang. CA na lang.
CA of the anong pong organ?
Yan. Dito.
So
Morning
pwede
digestive.
naman, may mga kasi may mga limitations tayo
Oo
pag
nga,
ganyan.
yun
So
nga,
dapat
kaya
kasi
nga,
mag-coincide
oo,
kami ng internist niya or yun ng oncologist niya para at least malaman na hindi siya magkakaroon ng interaction sa iba niyang gamot.
Anong gagawin
Importante
niya?
siguro magpa-consult muna siya sa amin para at
Sa
least
inyo.
malaman.
Ayan, ganun na lang
Importante.
gawin. Consult mo na lang si Doc Red.
Si
Doc
ha?
Red has naman the
Alam mo,
knowledge
naintindihan
in
kita.
dermatology.
Nakaka-relate ako sa'yo. O kaya, ang dami natin tanong, diba? Okay.
Ayan.
Sige, Shane. Go.
Ito daw, Doc Red, another question. Yung naman daw sa isang, from another watcher, for patients daw po, or siya daw po kasi laging pawisin.
Yan.
So, lagi siyang pawisin.
Yan.
I think this is what you call excessive sweating.
Hyperhidrosis.
Anong tawag doon, Doc?
Hyperhidrosis tawag namin sa medical term.
Ay, hyper.
Hyperhidrosis.
Hyperhidrosis.
Yung
Okay.
palaging pinapawisan.
Pawisan.
Yes. So,
Okay.
kahit hindi ka, sabi niya, kinakabahan po ako lagi, but I always get sweaty. Even on my hands and also on my feet, which causes embarrassment po every time I am being introduced to people.
Okay.
Especially in my sensitive areas, like underarms and bikini
Oo,
line. Sabi niya.
tama.
So, paano po kayo daw makakatulong? How can Dr. Red advise me or what can I do or any treatments that I can do to prevent this from happening? Meron ba tayong mga ganun?
Yeah, we have this
non-invasive
procedure
treatments?
na using the toxin or the Botox.
Botox.
So it targets the nerves para yung ma-block niya yung sweat gland. So pwede siya for the armpit, for excessive sweating, pwede rin siya sa palms, palmar hydrosis and axillary hydrosis and as well as yung plantar hydrosis sa paa naman.
Ito
Pwede
pala yun.
natin
So,
yan.
hindi pala to Mami, no? Parang sakit din pala to ng excessive
Excessive
sweating.
sweating,
Oo,
yeah.
sakit na.
Siyempre,
may
bumabakakababa din siya ng self-esteem, lalo na pag summer, kasi very...
Or especially pag may meet kang tao, makipag-shake hands ka or anything na namamawis yung
Yeah.
Alright,
So,
I
we have
see.
several treatments to address that kind of...
This is being offered at Avignon.
Yeah, exactly.
I see. So all they have to do is just go there and
have a
consult.
consultation.
Have a consultation first with you. Ito po ba may kailangan kayong tingnan or i-check muna bago kayo mag-inject? Like,
Yeah.
is this done through injection, correct?
Yeah,
Okay.
done through injection and thorough medical history muna before the procedure.
Alright, before the procedure.
Ay, nakatutuwa, Shane. Tingnan mo, ha? Dali lang, ha? Hello po! Hi, Ninang Bel Surara, Dr. Alfred and Mary Shane. Congrats po sa inyo, sa Radyo Agila, Ma'am Shane, Ma'am Bel. Thank you. At Yung sa Mindoro, 7 Calapan is watching. Thank you.
Ayan.
Joel Torms watching from Nagcarlang, Laguna. Thank you. Henry Chris is watching. Thank you po sa panonood. And of course po, ayan, si Ma'am Ozila Batong Arcayna. Napakagandang topic. Bagay sa atin, di ba? Ma'am Ozila, bagay sa atin.
All over the
mga
Philippines.
senior citizens of the
Yes,
Philippines.
exactly. And yan yung magandang topic, Mami, kasi yung mga senior citizens, minsan sometimes they feel, baka isipin nila, may
Yes.
edad na kami,
Yes,
hindi
di
na
ba?
kailangan.
Oo.
Pero anong tingin nyo, Doc Red? Bakit napaka-importante kahit sa mga senior citizens or kahit sa mga nakakatanda?
Yes.
Bakit nila kailangan alagaan ang kanilang
Correct.
skin?
Of course, as we say, if you look good, you feel good.
Yan.
So, importante talaga yung self-care, self-discipline, as well as yung pag-alaga.
And this is for all ages, no? Kahit
Yeah.
kasi minsan yung mga matatanda, okay lang yan, kahit ano na lang anak, sabihin sa akin. But still, di ba, we have to tell them na hindi po, Mami, you always have to look good.
Yeah,
Para
exactly.
ang inyong confidence, and yung, it shows, it radiates on your skin and on your body. And then
Yeah,
it shows on your beauty.
Yan.
Eto, Doc Red, ano ba sa tingin nyo? So, you're with Avignon, right? So, what sets Avignon apart when it comes to combining medical expertise with luxury skincare services?
Of course, primarily, all the doctors are well-trained, both internationally and here. So, the machines are top-graded. It's, we offer luxurious treatments and world-class treatments as well. So,
Okay,
we set apart from those mga bagong clinics kasi we have a unique and world-class treatment.
I know. Then you are representing different famous celebrities.
Yeah, famous celebrities
If
as
ma-
well. Not
Oo.
just
If Mommy Bell and I and mga nanonood natin kasi we're being watched all over the
Yeah,
Philippines.
YouTube, via
Saan
Facebook
po ba
Live.
yung mga branches nyo?
So
If
we
you
have
want to,
branches in Quezon City, in front of ABS-CBN. The second is at BGC. Third, Alabang. Fourth, Baguio. And we have a upcoming branch in EDSA Shangri-La.
Ayan.
meron siya sa Baguio.
Oh, Shane, in the interest of time, hingan natin ng health tips, health advisory, health message, Dr. Red, para naman maging youthful, magkaroon tayo ng
Tsaka
glowing,
yung video niyo,
radiant, and healthy skin. Ayan.
Please visit Avignon in all those branches to have a consultation with us, and then we can give you proper treatments and proper procedures as well.
Ayan.
Baka may
ayan
nais siyang
po.
batiin.
Baka may
Mga
nais
fans
siyang
mo,
batiin.
Doc
Like,
Red.
of course, Avignon Clinic. Again, the location is in
Avignon Clinic, Quezon City, BGC, Alabang, Baguio, and
soon to
upcoming
open in EDSA
Shangri-La.
Shangri-La. Ayan. Abangan nyo po yan. So, they are actually opening another one in EDSA Shangri-La. Existing ones are in BGC, Alabang, and in Quezon City and Baguio. Ayan.
Can I say hi to my bosses?
Yes,
Of
of
course.
course.
The
Go,
owner.
They're
go.
watching right now.
Go.
The owner and CEO of Avignon Clinic, Sir Christopher Cachuela, Sir Benedict C, and of course my partner.
Hello.
Hello
Bernard
po.
Sir
Jaruga.
Christopher Cachuela, and then
Hello
hello
po.
po, Sir Benedict C, and of course, your partner Axel. Hello po.
Ayan.
Ayan, the owners of Avignon Clinic. This
Ayan.
time, it's
Avignon.
Avignon.
Ayan.